Hi.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
Hello, my friend. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Please introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Guillaume.
What country are you from?
I li- uh, I'm I'm from France. France.
France.
France, yes.
Okay. Please tell me in details about your experience working with me. For example, how do you feel? How do you
Okay.
feel working with me?
Yes, okay. Well, it all started with a contact on LinkedIn where my profile is registered there as a person looking for a job since I am a job seeker, but also I present my vocal performance videos there in my channel one day on YouTube on more or less famous songs that I like. Sajib did an analysis of one of my videos to check his SEO performance on YouTube. Depending on the results of communicated, Sajib offers me to improve the referencing of one of my videos so that I can then distribute it through social networks and make it viral.
Okay. Thank you. Have you benefited? Have you benefited from my work?
Uh, Yes, the result is already very visible. Since the first video it took care of to improve his visibility went from the few dozen, views to almost 1,000 views in the space of a few days, and more than 300 new subscribers signed up for my channel.
Are you
I hope
happy?
to continue my Yes, of course. I hope to continue my collaboration with you, Sajib, so that my channel continues to attract lovers of music and my rather popular style, but with the only accompanying instrument, the piano, my favorite instrument.
Okay, thank you. How am I as a friend?
Yes. Sajib is a truly patient and open-minded person who is always ready to help when I'm confused about how to properly reference my videos and images before uploading them to YouTube. I really didn't know the whole process needed to successfully make my videos visible on my channel. It's therefore a rare relief that Sajib, as a professional and a friend, helps me to realize my projects little by little, so that my wish to make my channel and my talent visible comes true.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. Okay, and if you see any bad debate of me, you tell me. No problem. I won't mind.
Oh, so I won't say there's any bad deeds on your part. It's just that I find that the posting and SEO requirements are so absolute within YouTube and Google that I am struggling to project how I can build a channel that looks like me with the aesthetic characteristics that I like. I hope to be able to combine aesthetics and efficiency in the days to come with your help, Sajib. I'm really grateful to you. So thank you very much, Sajib. You're an incredible SEO professional and a very good friend.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Tata, bye bye.
Bye. Bye.